All right, I'm gonna hit that one on the left and tip it over to the right.
Look at that. Oh my God!
Yeah. Have you guys been to this place before?
Blake went for Liam's birthday a long time ago, but they didn't have all the. They've redone it.
Oh, that's why on the website it says it's renovated or something.
Yeah.
3rd and 15.
It says it's state of the art.
Monkey.
Oh, you got monkeys. Are you gonna win that monkey? Wait, how do you win this stuff?
You have to win tickets in the arcade.
Tickets at the arcade.
You have to buy a card.
Oh, I see. So here we are, we're in the arcade here, and it's pretty cool actually. They have a lot of games here. That's a cool game. It's VR. It's got like its little VR headset. Oh my gosh. Imagine if we had that when we were kids. VR headset in the arcade. I had like Pac-Man and Donkey Kong. An 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐿𝐿. That was my favorite actually. All right, so these kids are hungry. We're gonna get them some food. Are you guys getting pizza?
Yeah.
All right, so here's the little food court area. This is Max's Cafe. So they have pizza, burgers, steak sandwich,
Buffalo chicken grilled cheese.
pulled pork. Man, this is a pretty big menu.
For the kids section.
Kids menu, appetizers, chicken wings.
Salads for those people who are watching their
Guess I'll get a salad.
desserts for those who are not.
What is that? A cola? Oh, you can eat it. Go ahead. I won't. Is it good? I don't know if I've ever had a. I don't think I've ever had an icy. He gets a cola icy, and I get a cup of water. All right. So what do we get? We got the chicken quesadilla. I think it looks good. What did you guys get?
Quesadilla. We got pepperoni pizza, which we're gonna be sharing.
All right. I think it looks good. Let me see you guys pull a slice.
Pull the cheese.
I want to see the cheese. All right.
John, you ready?
Oh. All right. Here goes nothing. This is good, isn't it?
I'm the pizza boy.
How about your jealous of our pizza?
Is it good? So it comes with sour cream and salsa and fries. I almost can't believe that I like it. I never thought I would like bowling alley food. It's good.
feet. They're bigger than Matt's.
Well, that's disappointing.
I'm bragging. I get bragging rights.
What do you have to say about that shot?
There's hair in my mouth.
I'm sorry. I hate that for you. All right, guys.
Fun.
That's a wrap. We're about to leave. What do you guys think of this place?
I like it. I recommend
Fun?
it. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
W.
You gotta make sure you get pizza.
Yeah. Get pizza, play, I think the laser tag.
Laser tag. I got first
Laser
place,
tag was
and my vest. Find the vest that doesn't work.
Yeah.
It doesn't work.
Well, his vest wasn't working, and I only got 1,000 more points behind him, and then I was in second.
All right, peace out. Later.